Styling is made easy with this low maintenance human hair blend lace closure wig.
They popping off strong.
I hope y'all pop on too with it because human hair blend. You can get you a closure wig, but they look terrible. Like they look like helmets. There are levels to it. You see? Hey, cause hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today.
Hey.
Coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Before I get started with my shenanigans, let me give a very, very, very special shout out to Millbrook High School class of 2020. 4 out of Raleigh, North Carolina. Our young cousins are definitely supporters of this channel, and I appreciate you guys so much. Finish out your school year strong. Best wishes in the upcoming school year. You guys are the future. We are counting on you. If I need a job somewhere down the line, you see? Just don't forget about your big cousin.
That's all I'm saying.
I hope everybody is doing okay. How your mom and them doing? I got something real nice for y'all today, okay? Something nice like sugar and spice. Let me just jump into what we got going on today. OUTRE has a new line of closure wigs. Everybody is getting on board with this quick, fast, glueless, but cute styling. Because, you know, at one point you can get it glueless and you can get you a closure wig, but they look terrible. Like, they look like helmets. And we was like, ma'am, no ma'am. And then you have to do so much customization to it to get it to even look decent. So everybody's jumping on board because you already know how it is over here. We've been about that life. Quick, cute styles. I ain't saying we started it, but I'm just saying we've been about those real cute and easy and quick styles where we ain't got to do a whole bunch. Like, if we don't have to do a whole bunch, we not gonna do a whole bunch. We not new to this, we true to this. So they was like, well, we have these closure wigs. So these are the specs. They're new 5x5 closure wigs. Now I'm gonna tell you off gate, I like that because most closures are 4x4, which gives you 4 inches across the forehead of lace and 4 inches back of lace, which is gonna give you a 4-inch part. That's standard. It's not terrible, but I'm not fond of 4 inches of parting space, okay? Personally, I gotta have at least 5. 6 if you really want to get in, but 5 is really, really cool. So I'm glad that their closure wigs are giving you that extra inch for your pinch is what I'm saying to you, okay? They are supposed to be quick and low maintenance, glueless, and beginner friendly. That is what is supposed to be driving this campaign. What that means to me is low maintenance and beginner friendly when it comes to wigs means I don't have to do the most. If I could just plop it on, cut the lace and go, that would be ideal. That would be the most intense form of low maintenance, beginner friendly, like literally plopping it on and being on your way. But there are levels to it. When it comes to wig customizations, y'all, it gets very intense. It gets very strategic. It even gets mathematical, to be honest. So it can go there. So if you just have to do a couple little tweaks, you know, maybe put a little heat to the roots or something, or maybe you have to pluck a little bit right along the closure. It's going to be so much easier than plucking an entire frontal. You got to look at it like that. People's heads are different, hairlines are different. If you want it to fit specifically for you in a special way, you may have to do a little bit to it. So that's the claim, y'all. That's what they saying. Now, I'm just telling you what they said. Let me just show you the wig and then I'm going to see what I can do and see exactly how easy it is. This may be a thing. Okay. Human hair blend. It puts you beyond synthetic hair. A human hair blend is going to be better than that as far as the quality, but it's a mix. It's just what it says, okay? Understand that it is a human hair blend. 5x5 lace closure wig. 5 inches across, 5 inches back. This is 24 inches. I have body curl. The OUTRE 5x5 lace closure wig has just the right amount of HD lace for parting versatility and styling ease. Choose to go glueless with this unit and pick how you part it, left, right, or center. Simply use the pre-attached elastic band, place the wig on, and then you are all set. Styling is made easy with this low-maintenance human hair blend lace closure wig.
They popping off strong.
They popping off. I hope y'all pop on too with it because they say there's a natural pre-plucked hairline, baby hair included. I mean, they talking like they talking. So, and I have 24 inches, you guys. I hope it's cute all the way down the 24. Sometimes when it comes to like wavy wigs or curly wigs, like the first 20 inches, bomb, honey. And then the rest of the wig, honey, is lost and turned out. And I'll be like, nah, who got tied at the end of this piece of fiber that y'all made it look raggedy like this at the ends of it? So a lot of times when you get wigs like that, a lot of people end up cutting the ends if it starts to look scraggly. That's something that you can do. But I'm just gonna try it, y'all. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. Now, if you all are ready, dang, I was gonna say let's get busy, but that's Arsenio Hall. Isn't that Arsenio Hall's thing? Let's style this wig. Hold on. bye.